Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer speaker for sounds on the Samsung Galaxy J5 phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. We need a highly flexible type of brush, with relatively soft or medium to hard bristles. Isopropyl alcohol is 100% pure, so it can soften the dirt, clean it, and help us finish cleaning, and then it will fully evaporate afterwards. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon, which includes this brush and the diffuser. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once we have absolutely everything ready, we soak the brush very thoroughly with rubbing alcohol, so that it is completely and entirely wet. Taking a look at the phone, we open up the protective flap. Since this specific phone still has a flap, we carefully remove the component, place it off to the side, and then gently extract the battery. First, we place the phone face down on the surface, and right here we have the buzzer component. It is very important that we clean this buzzer thoroughly. So we take a soft bristled toothbrush and carefully clean the buzzer in one single direction. You should do 10 firm strokes in one direction, and then repeat the process with 10 more strokes in the other direction. And also perform 10 strokes, up and down. And in each specific direction, we can carefully repeat this motion once or even twice more, so that there are eventually 20 or 30 strokes in one single direction, and as a result, we will have a perfectly clean buzzer that will function exactly like it was brand new. Once you have finished this entire procedure, it is best to leave the phone without the battery for a period of about 10 or 15 minutes, so that the isopropyl alcohol can completely evaporate and dry out from the buzzer area. And only then can we safely insert the battery and securely reattach the back cover of the device. And turn it on so it works. It's ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.